Derive the equation of a line in a space through a given point and parallel to a vector both in the vector and Cartesian form. So consider a point A as a given point and vector B is the parallel vector. And let vector A be the position vector of the point A with respect to the origin O. So vector A be the position vector of the point A with respect to origin. And line L is passing through the point A and is parallel to the vector B. And point P is an arbitrary point in a space with position vector R. So we write let vector A be the position vector of the point A with respect to origin O. And here A is the given point and P is the arbitrary point. Let L be the line which passes through the point A and is parallel to the given vector B. Let R be the position vector of an arbitrary point P on the line L. Okay, and vector AP is parallel to vector B. Vector AP is parallel to vector B. Is that we write vector AP is equal to lambda times vector B, and here lambda is some real number. Okay, vector AP, here we can see vector AP is parallel to vector B. So we write vector AP is equal to lambda times vector B, and we write vector AP as vector OP minus vector A is equal to lambda times vector B, and we write vector OP is equal to vector R, vector OA is equal to vector A. Okay, so vector OP equal to vector R minus vector OA is equal to vector A is equal to lambda times vector B. So we write vector R is equal to, here you have a minus vector A, so here plus vector A plus lambda times vector B. So vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times vector B is the required vector form. Hence vector equation of the line is given by vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times vector B. So now Cartesian form, let A of x1, y1, z1 be the given point and P of x, y, z be the arbitrary point on the line. So we write vector OA is equal to vector A as x1 I cap, y1 j cap and z1 k cap, and vector OP as vector OP is equal to vector R is equal to x I cap, y j cap and z k cap. Okay, and vector B is equal to A I cap, B j cap and C k cap. So vector B is equal to A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap, where A, B and C are direction ratios of vector B. Now we should substitute in the vector form. Vector form R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Vector R is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and vector A is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap z1 k cap plus lambda into vector B. Vector B is equal to ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now we should write xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap minus x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap is equal to lambda into ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Okay, so we write it as x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap is equal to lambda times ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Now equating the coefficient of vector I cap, j cap and k cap. Equating the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. So we write equating the coefficient of I cap. So here coefficient is x minus x1 is equal to lambda into a. So y equating the coefficient of j cap, y minus y1 into lambda into b, z minus z1 into lambda into c. Okay, by eliminating lambda we write x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the required Cartesian equation of the line. Therefore, hence Cartesian equation of a line is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c.